Hey you guys, back with another video. I'm about to have a little dinner. I have some potato salad, I baked some chicken wings, and I have some knorrs rice, okay? Sprinkled with parsley flakes. I don't know, can you see that? My chicken wings, they still really hot. Ouch! See my chicken wing? I had some potato salad. And I have some barbecue sauce on deck. Let's see. I like the lighting from over here is different. And I have some. Okay. Okay. And I have a iced tea. Okay. So let's get started, you guys. I've been sitting outside and come in. I said, let me eat a bite. Potato salad. Y'all want some? I had to turn that news off. As it was just showing bad stuff. People can't even enjoy themselves. I don't know what concert venue or what. It's just ridiculous. It's hot outside, you guys. Feel like it's like 85 degrees. So I know I'm gonna have to be turning my air on soon. I want some chicken. Cause me, I get hot at night. It's just like a surge of heat. But it's all good. This chicken good. And it's hot. Y'all see my plate a little bit. Chicken. Potato salad. Well, weather like that, because usually in the summertime, I don't really too much cook, you guys. I don't. Especially having the oven on, stuff like that. So, I use an air fryer. I got an electric skillet. I got a deep fryer. But still, all that stuff, it generates heat. So, I don't know. I usually eat a lot of sandwiches. And stuff like that, so. And chicken. And some baked chicken. Chicken good, you guys. I want some rice. It's knorrs rice. Y'all probably can't too much see it. I'm gonna have to get up early in the morning. I don't know why. When I be on break, I be making appointments and stuff early in the morning, like I'm going to work. Be the first one there. So, Bink just walking around. She stay asleep 10 minutes, then she back up. Oh shit. I didn't want to see my face. I had to clean my phone because I put grease on it. It's such a pretty day out. You don't see too many kids running around in the sun. I'm getting full, you guys. I come from this rice. So, well, I'm taking some meat off to get Binks. My potato salad good. I didn't eat all of that. I still got a whole chicken wing to go. Well, hey Binks. She didn't even want that. I don't know what's wrong with that kitty. She want a puree all day. Girl, eat that cat food. Well, you guys, I think I'm about done eating. And I'm finna go back outside, enjoying this sunshine, and unwind. And I thank you guys for taking part of your day. And happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Happy Father's Day. And I will be chatting with you guys on the next video. Bye-bye for now.